Hello, today we'd like to introduce the IRAY Intraoral Dental Sensor, and I think we'll start out giving you a little demonstration of it before we show it to you. Here's the software, very straightforward. Comes with a dongle that you can use to install it at any computer you have, and it can be set for, in that software you choose whether you want veterinary or human, and we can always help you with that installation. It's very simple. So then you'll come to this screen here, and I've kind of got it set up. You just enter any patient information that you want to enter, and we'll get to this screen here, and then we're going to choose. We can make a choice here of which tooth we're doing, and there we go. So over here we have set up our sensor with our Phantom, and we're just going to take a quick x-ray. So I'll step back here. Obviously you'll be using a handheld x-ray or wall mount, different x-ray, but for demonstration purposes. Okay, we take the x-ray and we will go back over to the software. And there is our image. Okay, superb image quality and a great price on these. So here is the sensor itself, and it comes in two sizes, the 25 by 38. This is the larger one, the 31 by 45. And it comes in this box here, which will have the sensor wrapped up, the holder here, and this is the USB that you'll plug in that has the software on there and the manuals for you to use. So there is the sensor. If you have any questions, please let us know, and we hope to hear from you. Thank you.